to the sizzle. Watch that flame.
We're making flaming garlic butter shrimp, buttery garlic bread, and the Cajun butter Flambé corn.
Stay tuned, let's light it up.
Tika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste.
Now, before we set the kitchen on fire, literally, here's a highlight of what you need. Colossal shrimp, as the firm structure will hold up to the heat of the flambe. Lemon, butter, a mixture of spices.
Garlic cloves, olive oil.
Dark rum, cognac is ideal, but we're using whiskey today. French baguette. Corn on the cob, as well as some more spices and seasonings. Now full recipe will be down below in the description. Alright, we've got the flavors, we've got the fire, but you know what we need? A little prep magic to make this dish unstoppable. Now using the lemon, which will provide acidity, helps clean the shrimp up, removes any fishy odor, and gives us that fresh from the sea taste. A quick soak and rinse, and we're good to go. Now let's get these beauties seasoned. Now that our shrimp are clean and fresh, here's a fun fact. Did you know shrimp actually absorb flavor better after a quick rinse in the lemon water? That's because the acidity slightly tightens the protein, helping it to hold onto the seasoning like the garlic, the butter, and Cajun spice even more. So don't skip this step, okay? Now a little trick for even distribution of the seasoning. Sprinkle from at least 6 inches above, right? Think of it as like seasoning rain. Followed up with a massage for even distribution. Alright, now while that is marinating, we're now moving on to our corn, and we'll boil these for about 5 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, we got our parsley ready, and now we're gonna chop away for our garlic. Checking on those corn, they're nice and ready. Just strain them off there. Alright, getting our garlic nicely chopped. Now let's talk about this Parmesan. This isn't just for looks. This cheese brings a nutty, salty richness that melts right into the bread, making every bite extra flavorful. Plus, as it bakes, it gives us that golden crispy top that takes this garlic bread, guys, to the next level. Now this is where all the magic happens. We're making the ultimate garlic butter spread, rich, creamy, and loaded with flavor. First, we've got to soften the butter. It's the base that melts into the bread, making it extra indulgent, guys. The salt and pepper flakes for that extra kick, that garlic. Because let's be honest, what's garlic bread without garlic? Those fresh parsley, it doesn't only add color, but it balances that richness and give it that herby kick. Followed by, guys, the Parmesan cheese and some more spice with that freshly cracked black pepper. Now, when I tell you that this garlic butter was something to talk about, clocking all the T's, chef kiss, oh my goodness, it was so good. Alright, and there we are, applying this rich, delicious garlic butter to the sides, the open sides of the bread. Alright, lightly if you're watching your calories, okay? Alright, and just like that, we apply them, and then to the oven they'll go, guys. And these will take about 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also broil it for 1 to 2 minutes for extra crispness, okay? Alright, now it's time to get these corn going. Now we're making that Cajun butter. Oh my goodness, guys, melt the butter, add your Cajun seasonings, all those spices, give it a good stir. Just checking on our garlic butter bread there. It is looking so nice, nicely done. Alright, so while we keep it warm, we'll continue to work on our corn. So why grill the corn after boiling? Well, boiling makes the corn tender, but grilling, that's where the magic happens. And we're turning up the flavor some more. This Cajun butter isn't just any butter, it's rich, smoky, and packed with bold spices that cling to every kernel, I tell you. And now it's action time. Time to light it up, guys. And boom! The flame burns off the alcohol, leaving behind a rich caramelized butter glaze that coats every kernel bite. And just like that, we are taking this corn from amazing to next level restaurant worthy perfection. And we are plating it up, topping there with parmesan and parsley. Now what's remaining, guys? Oh yeah, that shrimp. It's time to make another magic happen. Now we've got butter, olive oil, and fresh garlic sizzling away. Can you smell that? This is the flavor base that's going to make our shrimp absolutely irresistible. And in go our colossal shrimp. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of something amazing happening, I tell you. We're searing these beauties just until they turn that perfect golden pink. The key, don't overcoat the pan, guys. We want that delicious crust to form. And we're giving it a good lip to baste them with that garlicky butter goodness, because we want every flavor in every single bite, okay? Now, who else think garlic butter make everything better? Well, drop a garlic in the comments below. And with a splash of rum, boom, we have turned up the heat. Now the alcohol will burn off, leaving behind an ultra buttery, slightly caramelized sauce that coats every shrimp to pure perfection, guys. And just like that, we've taken these shrimp from delicious to legendary. Now let's bring this dish together. First, we place our flaming garlic butter shrimp in the center, making sure each one glisten in that rich buttery sauce. Next, our Cajun butter Flambé corn lays beautifully on the side. Look at that char, guys. And finally, we stuck our golden crispy butter garlic bread on the plate, a little sprinkle of fresh parsley, and boom, restaurant quality magic. And just look at that, we've turned up the heat in the kitchen, literally. If you love this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more next level recipes. Now, do you agree with me when I say food is more than just a meal? It's an experience, and when you add a little fire, it becomes a show. This recipe is perfect for date nights, impressing your friends, or just treating yourself like the gourmet chef you are. Plus, who doesn't love buttery garlic goodness? Thank you for cooking with me today, turning up that flame. Love you all. Enjoy.